Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Incognito Mode on YouTube PC or laptop. To do this, first, open YouTube in your Chrome browser. Tap on your profile icon. Your data in YouTube option, click on it. Scroll down. Here you will find YouTube Watch History. Click on it. Now, here you'll find the option named Turn Off. Tap on it. Tap on Pause. Got it. Now, you successfully enabled your YouTube in Incognito Mode. So, that's it for today's video. If this helps, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.